Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Lange. Today I am going to present embedded systems for secure door lock systems. Embedded systems are nothing but the computer systems that is designed to perform specific tasks and are integrated into some devices. And coming to the embedded system for the secure door lock, it uses microcontrollers, sensors, and actuators along with the software. This embedded system authenticate the users and control the access by prioritizing security. The sensors used are keypad and biometric sensor authenticates users for before granting the access. The software running on the system manages user authentication, access control, and communication with other systems. The system may include communication protocols such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, to communicate with other devices. The hardware components are Arduino Uno R3 fingerprint sensor module, servo motor, breadboard, jump wires, LED and resistors, a 9-volt battery. And the software components are Arduino IDE, Adafruit fingerprint sensor library, and the server library. And the communication interfaces used are Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, RS-485. Any of this communication interface is used. Uh, and the system architecture is we need power supply, sensors, and the door board, microcontroller, actuator, and an LCD or LED. Whenever a fingerprint is captured with the sensor, it sends to the microcontroller, and the microcontroller process the data and control with the lock mechanism and grant access to the user. If the authentication is successful, then the door is open, or else the door will not be open. For this, a reliable power supply is needed. And the functional requirements are user authentication, door lock and unlock control, status indicator, access log, access control. The user authentication. The system should be able to authenticate users by comparing their fingerprint data to the database of the authorized users. Door lock and unlock control. The system should be able to control the door lock and unlock mechanism based on the user authentication result. Status indicators. The system should provide status indicators such as LEDs or displays to show the current state of the system. Access log. This log maintains all the user access items, including successful and unsuccessful items. Access control. Access control mechanisms is used to prevent unauthorized access. And the non-functional requirements are security, usability, reliability, performance, user management, and maintenance. Security. The system should use encryption to protect fingerprint data. And the usability, the system should be easily understand to all the users. The system should be reliable and have a low rate of false rejections and false acceptance. And the performance of the system should be fast, and the response time for authenticating users and unlocking the door should be fast. The power management. The system should be power efficient and have long battery life. And the maintenance should be easy to maintain and troubleshoot in cases of issues. Operational environment. Physical environment, power supply, connectivity, maintenance, security, user interface. Physical environment. The system should be installed in a secure location with controlled access. The system should have a reliable power source to ensure continuous operation. Connectivity. The system may require connectivity to a central server or a local network or the internet today for exchange of data. Maintenance. The system may require periodic maintenance such as cleaning the fingerprint sensor or replacing the battery. The system should be designed with security in mind to prevent unauthorized access, tampering, and hacking attempts. The system should have a user interface that is easy to use and understand for authentication and understand for authorized users. Advantages. High security. Fingerprint authentication is a highly secure method of access control, this system is convenient and fast. The fingerprint authentication is fast and convenient for authorized users. This system is cost cost effective and customizable. The Arduino boards are highly customizable, which allows developers to add additional features or customize the system to meet specific requirements. And the easy integration. Arduino boards are can easily integrate with other devices and systems. The system can be designed to be tamper-proof to prevent unauthorized access. And the disadvantages are fingerprint sensors may have a certain range of false acceptance or rejections. That means for authorized users, the access may be denied, and for unauthorized users, the access may be given. And the physical factors is also a limitation. The fingerprint sensors may be affected by the physical factors such as dirt, moisture, and the temperature. If the temperature is very hot, the sensors may be become defective. Privacy concerns. Storing and using biometric data, the finger uh, uh, such as fingerprint data raises privacy concerns and may require compliance with data protection regulations. Vulnerable to hacking, like any electronic system, a door lock system using Arduino and fingerprint authentication can be vulnerable to hacking attempts or unauthorized access by skilled individuals. Fingerprint power consumption. Fingerprint sensors and associated electronics may consume more power than traditional door lock systems. These are my references. Thank you.